CA final aspirants who are appearing for November 21 exams. Here is a good news for you. There is a new product on the request of students which we have created, that is CA final November 21 lectures are now available at just 4,999 rupees only. So what is that you will get? So you can watch for 3 months with a validity of 3 months and 1.2 views, and you will get all the books. So you'll get 2 volumes of resource book that contains the detailed provisions, then interlinking charts and illustrations. So comprehensive it is. And then you will get one solved workbook that contains all the past exam questions of CA, CMA and CS, which is a color book, and you will get a That's It book, so which is the summary of all the provisions for last minute revision. So without tampering anything, so just by reducing the validity, we are coming out with this product as an Independence Day offer starting from today, August 5th till August 15th. So please pass on this message to your friends and those who are in need so that they can purchase. The main objective behind creation of this is that so many students were telling, sir, we are unable to pay for 7,500 rupees, which was the original product price, and therefore is there any way, because we are appearing for November 21 and we are having very less time, so that's the reason why this is done. And don't worry, if the November exams get little bit postponed to December also, this product will be useful to you. Okay, thank you all, take care, and we will meet you soon in amendments lecture and the marathon lectures.